In life we climb various stairs, and there are moments when we stumble on them. Somewhere between the bottom of the climb and the summit is the answer to the mystery of why we actually climb. If you are a first timer climbing Adams Peak, then I welcome you to this journey that I came with the Facebook travel group Alpha Adventures. And here's the founder of the group and event organizer, Meuranga. Along our way, we will come across several locations that are referred to by various names, most of them deriving from folk story, starting with Makara Thorana. From here is where we start the climb step by step, surrounded by these breathtaking views. Come on, isn't this a sight to behold already? Of the many routes to get to the top, Hatton Road is the most regularly used, and we too are taking that route. The next location we come across is the Japan Peace Temple, which was built by the famous Buddhist monk Wen Nichi Fuji in 1976. I was a bit tired at this point, so sat down to have a sip of water overlooking this amazing backdrop. Next was the Seetha Ambalama, where all climbers should wash their feet, face or even shower in the cold pond as a means of cleansing their body before reaching the holy shrine at the top. We are making good time. Passing that, you get to the Seetha Saman Devalaya, where you can witness a Buddhist tradition where a coin is wrapped and tied in a white piece of cloth as a means of a blessing. Okay, now we are roughly at the halfway point and the ascent is becoming steeper. Hey buddy, how are you? Oh wow, this is the first time I've seen the peak because it was covered with the mist most of the time. So I was given this Kodu packet which contains an incense stick box, a needle and some white thread, which first timers are expected to entangle the needle to a thread on an already existing mass of a thread that resembles a gigantic cobweb. So after a few minutes of rest here, we started the climb again. Looks like the mist is starting to cover up the whole place. My legs are feeling it now. Anyway, last 1,000 or so steps more, guys. Thanks, buddy. Okay, we are now at the Ehela Kanuwa location, and now it's the last few hundred steps. Let's do this. Oh wow, the mist has taken over the view below. There it is. We're almost there. These last 10 or so steps are really taking every bit of my energy. Oh, there you guys are. How did you guys manage to climb so fast? It's like nothing but clouds beneath us, guys. I can't explain this feeling right now. And we were fortunate enough that the Uda Maluwa, where the sacred foot lies, was open, so we got the chance to visit, even though the door that holds the foot was closed because this was off-season. All in all, climbing Adam's Peak was an extremely fulfilling experience. It is one of those feats that you just cannot comprehend until you have really done it. It might have left me feeling that my legs didn't belong to me anymore, but if I had the chance to do it again, I would. Especially to see the incredible ball of fire leaping out of the horizon and making that phenomenal entrance to announce that yet another new day has dawned.